As with any power tool, it is always a good idea to inspect the saw prior to use. Brady and I are going to run through a quick inspection of the saw to help you understand what to look for. ICS has provided a flathead scrunch with your saw. This is what you'll need for the inspection and setup of your saw. Additional maintenance items will require other basic tools. Let's take a look at the saw. First, we'll do an exterior saw inspection. Inspect the guard flap for rips or tears. If any are noticed, this item needs to be replaced because it is there for the safety of the operator. We also want to inspect the saw housing for damage or missing or loose components such as screws or bolts. Next, let's take a look at the side cover. Brady, grab the scrunch and remove the side cover, please. We want to inspect the side cover for cracks or damage. Next, we'll remove the bar mount plate. Note that the front is stamped with the word front. Inspect the chain tensioner and grease the tensioner pocket. With the side cover off, we can easily inspect the drive sprocket teeth for wear. Sprockets are consumable items that need to be replaced every 5 to 8 chains. Damage to chains or guide bars may occur from a worn drive sprocket. Here we have 5 sprockets welded together to show the progression of wear from new to end of life. Looking from this side, we see a new sprocket all the way to the most extreme end of life. Typically, somewhere in the middle is where we really need to replace the sprocket. Now let's take a look at a chain. First, we'll inspect the drive links for damage or wear due to a worn sprocket. We are looking for signs of impact that could cause failure to the chain. We also need to look for missing diamonds or excessive coating wear. Next, let's inspect the guide bar rails for uneven wear or damage simply by looking down the rails. Brady, use extreme caution when handling a used guide bar. The edges become extremely sharp. So what we're looking for are blue or black discoloration due to excessive heat, lack of water through the guide bar, excessive chain tension, or plugged bar ports. Now we'll give a spin of the bar nose, checking for smooth sprocket operation. Lastly, let's look for debris in the guide bar rail that may be plugging the water ports.
So now that we've completed our pre-start inspection, let's get the 890 set up and ready to cut.
Sounds good.
Here's a quick review of the key topics of this chapter. For more information on ICS training or products, visit icsdiamondtools.com or call customer service at 800-321-1240.